All right, so if you have a Samsung phone and you want to download an app, you're inevitably going to run into this confusing situation where there's two stores on your phone. One of them is simply called Store, and the other one is Play Store. So what's the deal with these two? What's the difference? And which one should you use? Every Samsung phone has both of these pre-installed right out of the box. You have the Google Play Store and then Samsung's own Galaxy Store. Wish they'd call it that instead of labeling it just Store. Play Store is kind of like the general store. This is the universal marketplace for the entire Android ecosystem. This is where you'd go to download 99% of your third-party apps, from Spotify to Netflix to banking apps to games, whatever. This is usually the go-to for all Android users. If you were on a different Android phone, like a Motorola, for example, you would only have Google Play Store installed. The Samsung Store, on the other hand, is kind of like a specialty boutique, exclusive to Samsung devices. Its primary job is to keep your phone's system hardware updated. It offers deep aesthetic customization with different themes you can download, and it distributes apps that are specifically optimized for Samsung's One UI software. And needless to say, the Galaxy Store is only available on Samsung phones. The Google Play Store has millions of apps and games available, whereas the Samsung Store has a much smaller, highly curated selection of apps available. You will find that some apps are available on both stores. You could download something like Peacock TV, for example, and it'll be available on the Samsung Store, and it's also available on the Google Play Store. Google Play Store will use your Google account for all downloads, whereas on the Samsung Store, everything is tied to your Samsung account. The Samsung Store will also have updates, not just for apps, but for some system-level hardware features, like your camera app or always-on display. You can see mine has updates here for things like secure Wi-Fi or Samsung Health and things like that. So that's basically the main difference. Samsung Store is highly narrowed down and limited in selection, whereas the Play Store will have much more. Personally, I pretty much never touch the Samsung Store. Anything I need, I can usually find on the Google Play Store. And having all your apps originate from the Play Store is going to make things easier if you ever switch to a non-Samsung phone. Anyways, that's the difference between the two apps. Hope that helps. Share this video with a friend who's confused about these two, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.